we're trying to promote, we're trying to help, because there's a whole breed of fantastic cooks doing this job, and we just think that they need that kind of support. So once we do this, we televise it, we maximize it, it goes all over to everywhere, all over India in fact, and these people are now going from just being home chefs to actually starting their own restaurants or starting their catering outfits, and they're going up country, which is great and which is wonderful.
This is the third year of the Home Chef studio. We've got 4 cook-offs, we've got 3 master classes.
Firstly, it's great to be here. Thanks after a long hiatus. This is all interesting. It's new. I can't wait to taste.
As I said, I don't usually eat desserts, but all of the desserts were amazing.
As a chef, I'm very proud that Indian people love Thai food. And I also love Indian food. I think your food have different layers and taste.
मिलेट्स की आप स्टोरी अगर ढूंढेंगे सो शास्त्रों में बहुत अच्छा लिखा हुआ है. उस वक्त अनाज अगर कहीं लिखा था तो ज्वार, बाजरा, कुटकी, कोदू.
A big thanks to our sponsor, Swits, our sponsors, associate sponsors, ITC Store In, and Blue Elephant and Indian. And they've been like great supporters of us, and that's why we are here today.
Today, a lot of home chefs have become advisors, have become consultants with our company. Lot of potential. I'm just going to give you a little brief on how to scale up your business.
So today I'm here to help you grow your social media.
Let me start by telling you that my mom was a home chef when the term home chef didn't exist.
The man of the day, the man who's really done so much of hard work all of the day, Kalyan gets a mug too.